everyone. I hope you're well. Today what we're going to work on is turning your paper into a free tutoring service that will give you feedback. Every college has a writing center, and I want you to get used to finding that writing center and their resources, and a lot of them do it electronically now. And what they do is they have paid writing tutors that are exceptionally skilled in writing essays, and what they do is they'll give you feedback on your essay to fix it before you turn it into your professors to get a higher grade. SC Discus now has that availability for high school students, and it's through the Princeton Review. So this is a wonderful, wonderful service, wonderful, wonderful free tool, and we're going to get into the habit of using it this year within my class because it is just a resource that you absolutely need to learn how to use. So what you need to do is from our Schoology page, you're going to click on the link that says Aiken High Media Center. Don't go to the district webpage and go to Aiken High Media Center. That will take you to a different webpage. Click on the link through our Schoology course. It's going to take you here, and as you can see, our librarians have a plethora of resources for you for all kinds of different things. So if you have a second and you're bored, I guess, I'm not assigning anything for Wednesday, so if you're bored on Wednesday, you can come in here and just kind of check this out and look at all the different things the librarians have. But for our class today, what you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says Quick Links, okay? And from Quick Links, you're going to click on SC Discus. And it's going to redirect you. Discus is an amazing website that the state of South Carolina pays for students in high school for free. And this is where you can go to find information for research papers, information to strengthen your arguments for any class. You can search by grade level, you can search by subject, you can smart search. There's tons of things you can do here. I'm asking the librarians to put together a presentation for you when we do our research papers in January to help you navigate Discus and talk about how to find the best sources. But for today, I'm going to show you how to get to a free tutoring service and the writing service. So you're going to go to A to Z list, okay? And then at A to Z list, you're going to click on T. So A to Z list, then click on T. And then after T, you're going to scroll down to where it says tutor.com. And you're going to click on tutor.com. And it's going to open another page. I created an account, so you need to go in up here. It should say create an account, and you're going to do that. And here you see all these different options, and you can connect with a live tutor. So let's say I really need help with math. That is not, that's true. And I need help with calculus. That is so true. I don't know what I'm doing. You can say you want to tutor with voice chat, and since it might take a little bit longer because I don't have voice chat, or I can just put that off and I can type my question here, attach a file, and connect now, and it will take me to a live tutor. And I can do that for any subject at any grade level. So if you have siblings that are in elementary and they're struggling with something during this virtual week, right? You can show them, hey guys, we got reading, we have different levels, we have social studies, we have math, we have test prep. This is just a wonderful free skill. There's drop-off math question. Say you have a really hard math problem for Mr. Swearingen, right? You can click on this drop-off a math question, and you can put all that information in, type your question, and they'll help you with it. They have this take a practice quiz. You can put in, English 4, and maybe you want to look at Beowulf motifs, right? And there's things here to help you. And then there are these other tools for, video instruction for math and English, because those are the major content areas. And this is just a wonderful, wonderful place to get resources and to help you if you are struggling and you need that extra help. Or heck, I would use this. I am not a math genius, so I could probably maybe go into the stats right now. It would help me with my PhD in analyzing statistics. But for our class today, this right here is amazing. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to get a tutor feedback from Princeton on your paper. So you're going to hit submit a paper review. So you are doing essay drop-off. So it's going to take a few days for that to get back. You're going to pick your grade level. This is a 12th grade class. So even if you're a junior, please put 12th grade, because you should be writing on that level if you're in this class. What is the topic of your paper? And so you're going to put, use a literary device to develop a theme in the text, whatever text you picked. Boys, where are you in the writing process? And then you could put this, I think I'm on track, but ready for feedback, which is where we probably should be. Or if you think it's perfect, then you can put that. So I'm gonna pick that, right? And then it says our tutors will review your essay for higher order concepts. All right. What else would you like them to focus on? And let's say I'm worried about properly supporting my argument. Maybe I'm worried about my grammar. Some of you should maybe be worried about word choice. And then you give any more information you have for the assignment. And then you're going to pick you're using MLA citation, right? And here you'll pick where your essay is. And I'm just going to pick that, right? I'm not going to actually upload this. And then you'll hit submit. And in a few, I think it's 12 hours, 12-hour review. In 12 hours, you will get something back that gives you feedback. So let me actually pause a minute because I have an example. Give me 1 second. I can't figure out how to pause this. Okay, so you can see this is the feedback that the tutoring service gives you on your paper. So Miss Taylor actually submitted a student paper, and to see how good the quality of feedback is from the services. So you can see that they have, repetition marked, explanation marked, word choice marked, just very detailed feedback. Now remember though, even when you get feedback from an outside source, you want to make sure you're going with what the instructor has told you to do. So if you think that the commenter, the tutor, is going against something I've said, you probably shouldn't change it because I'm the one that's going to grade the paper, right? But you can see that it gives some pretty detailed feedback to you for adjustments. And so one thing that this student really needed to work on was word choice, right? And, the tutor's not going to know the structure of what I want the essay to look like, right? And so you can attach that in that box. Let me go back. Right? You can attach that in that details here. You can attach my handouts here on how I want the body, paragraphs, and introductions organized, and that will help them give you feedback. So the more you give them on what you have to do, the better feedback they will give you. So that's what you're going to do today. You're going to go in to this service. You're going to create an account. You're going to go submit a paper for review, and then you're going to fill out the information for our assignments and hit submit, and then in 12 hours you'll get feedback. And that's all you have to do. You don't need to worry about over Thanksgiving break working on this paper at all. Next week I will still be out because of COVID. I am feeling better, but I still have to be home because of contagious periods. So next week what will happen is that when you come back on the 30th, you will have time in class to adjust your paper based off of this website's feedback. And then we're going to do a peer review, and you have time to adjust it on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to pull up the date real quick because I don't know what date that is. Wednesday the 2nd is when you'll submit your copy to me for grading. Okay? So today's assignment, upload it onto tutor.com and submit your essay like I've shown, and you can rewatch it if you need to go back and figure out how to do that. And Wednesday, tomorrow, you're supposed to have an assignment, but that is a gift to you. Enjoy an extended Thanksgiving break, and spend some time with your family. All right. If you have any questions again, just send me an email. I'm not very good at pausing the video